Hello and welcome to a new rhetorical espresso. Fabian, he wrote an email and he said he's not creative, but he has to write blog articles and that's really difficult. What can he do? So Fabian, I think in most cases, it is not a question of creativity, but it is a question of structure to write good blog articles. If the structure you use is subject, description, call to action, then it's really hard and you need to be creative to write a good text from this old, dusty structure. You need a new one. That's what we do usually in workshops. And think of the structure surprise, connect the surprise with the fact you want to talk about, description, call to action. Then it's much more easier. For you, the task is to find surprising facts of your company. For example, it's numbers which are smaller or bigger than people expect, or facts in the history of your company, or personalities who are connected with your company. All these things which makes a surprise. And after that, after the reconstruction of the idea, then the next step is to interpretate them. You can write in a funny way, you can write in a serious way, you can add storytelling, or you can offer it like an interview. So for you and most of you, it's much more easier not to think of creativity, but think of structure. I hope this helps. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy, bon courage und bis zum nächsten rhetorischen Espresso.